Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying hardware and system settings. Make sure the display, cable, and GPU support HDR and 10-bit output. Once done, update drivers and your playback or editing software so color management behaves correctly. Next, enable HDR output in the operating system and in the video player or NLE. Select the right color space and output format so signal passes through unchanged. This avoids tone mapping problems later. So don't skip these foundational steps because they determine how metadata is handled downstream. You now inspect the video's HDR metadata. Open the file in a tool that shows static and dynamic HDR tags so you know what's embedded. Once you know the format, PQ or HLG, remap the color space if your output device expects something different and convert between Rec. 2020 and Rec. 709 when necessary to avoid clipping. Then use a trusted encoder or grading tool to rewrite or inject correct metadata. This step fixes incorrect brightness targets and ensures displays interpret luminance and mastering information correctly. You finish by rendering or exporting with the corrected HDR metadata and mastering display values. Set peak nits and primaries to match your source or target. Once done, test playback on the intended display and compare with a non-HDR monitor to confirm appearance. Make subtle adjustments if skin tones or highlights look wrong. If things still go wrong, check the cable and drivers and look for metadata mismatches or automatic tone mapping in the player. Those are the most common culprits and usually resolve the remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.